So we are reading about the opportunities of law graduate, means after doing law degree, what was the various field you can go through. So there is 10 opportunities which is given in your book. We will reading one by one in brief. That is, first one is in litigation. Litigation means graduate may practice as an advocate in a court of law, means in any court. After doing graduation, you can do as an advocacy. You can go through a advocacy like me, like I am doing, that is as an advocate. You can appoint it in any court. This can be achieved by working under the experienced advocates. First you have to take the training of by having under any advocate or being attached to the litigation department of law firms, और companies के भी lawyer बन सकते हैं, law firms के lawyers बन सकते हैं. Or in order to practice in courts of India, or you can do the advocacy in every court, in any court of the India, whether it was in Jabalpur, Bilaspur, means in India overall. If you have become an advocate after doing the law degree, after taking the graduation, LLB complete करने के बाद you become an advocate. So नेक्स्टली सेकेंड, लॉ फॉर्म प्रैक्टिस. कहाँ जा सकते हैं आप? लॉ फॉर्म प्रैक्टिस के लिए जा सकते हैं. लॉ फॉर्म प्रैक्टिस मीन्स कंपनीज लॉयर्स बन सकते हैं, है ना. एनी कंपनीज आर अपॉइंटिंग द एडवोकेट एज इन देयर कंपनीज टू सॉल्व द लीगल इशूज. सो लॉ फॉर्म वेरी in size or practice areas. Law firms may be ranged from boutique law firms specializing in specific area of law such as intellectual property rights. टैक्स लॉयर बन सकते हैं आप, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज़ के लॉयर बन सकते हैं. वेरियस टाइप ऑफ लॉ फॉर्म्स वर देयर. तो आप उन सब में जाके अपॉइंटेड हो सकते हैं आफ्टर डूइंग ग्रेजुएशन. टू मिड साइज लॉ फॉर्म्स हैज़ ऑल्सो भी देयर. लार्ज स्मॉल किसी भी टाइप में, कॉर्पोरेट में बन सकते हैं, मर्जर्स कंपनीज में बन सकते हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट लॉयर्स बन सकते हैं, टैक्सेशन लॉयर, इंश्योरेंस लॉयर, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज में मैनी अपॉर्चुनिटी आर हैविंग आफ्टर when you become a lawyer, है ना. तो many of the opportunities are there. Transaction lawyers are at law firms typically involves practicing in commercial and economics law, advising on issues pertaining to the commercial transaction. business lawyer बन सकते हैं. businesses में आपके जो lawyers होते हैं, जो आपके GSTs को फाइल करते हैं, तो lawyers ही होते हैं वो, तो उसके भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. This would usually includes advising on the legal laws, application to the transaction, drafting contracts, other documents, helping the clients from the commercial negotiation. business purpose के negotiation होते हैं, contracts होते हैं, उसमें आप help कर सकते हैं. The management acquisition of the transactions means after doing the graduation in the various type of law firms were there, so you can do the practice over there also. You start your practice there also. Nextly, corporate sectors. In the corporate sector also you can go. Large corporation often has in-house legal practice, like an in-house counsel will give legal advice to the company, have expertise in the business of the companies. like आपके कॉर्पोरेट्स लॉयर्स होते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर्म्स होते हैं, इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज होती हैं, उन सब सेक्टर्स में भी आप जा सकते हैं. एंड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंश्योरिंग दैट अ बिजनेस इन द कंपनी रन स्मूथली विद द एप्लीकेबल लॉस के साथ ही आपकी कंपनी चले, लाइक धीरू भाई अंबानी, है ना. तो उस सब कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर्स में भी यू कैन बिकम अ लॉयर. एक्सटर्नल लॉयर्स भी बन सकते हैं. लाइक बैंकिंग सेक्टर, you can go in the banking sector, national companies, investment firms, insurance companies, e-commerce ventures, media house, for hiring the law graduate for managing their legal departments. Various type of firms were there. You can go through that sector also by having the graduation in law degree. Public policy, you can go through the public policies. Like lawyers have been important role in formulating and advising on public policies, like government are making public policies. If you are a lawyer, you know that what is wrong for you, for what is good for you, है ना, सब पता रहेगा आपको. So several organization employs law graduate for policy making में भी आपकी हेल्प के लिए lawyers अपॉइंट किए जाते हैं. Institutionalized fellowships where the law graduate can be research assistant भी होते हैं. For example, a law graduate interested in public policy can apply and serve as a legislative assistant under the legislative assistant to the member parliament fellowship programs and run by PRS legislative research institution such as Competition Commission of India, Securities Exchange Board of India also employ law graduate for public making policies. They are also appointed to law. Third opportunity, legal research and academia, like I am doing. Academia means in school you are also appointed as a law teacher. Graduate may attach themselves with research centers and think tanks Law graduate may take up teaching, research of the profession. At least a postgraduate degree in law or related disciplines is accepted to build a career in academia. है ना, I have taken the law degree, LLB qualified, and LLM degree also taken. So I can go through that academia also. You have also that opportunities after taking the graduation. University also employs postgraduate as a lecturer or assistant professor as the beginning of your career. You can start your career from academia also, in the academia field also. NGO, okay, NGO is also required law graduate. You can open your NGO, or especially organization which is social justice orientation have position for law graduate. They are having special position for law graduate. This ranges for a small grassroots level organization to large well-funded organization. They may also general in nature, providing free legal aid, legal education, legal awareness to the more specialist organization involved in areas such as women, child rights, environmental law, employment laws, consumer rights, and public health. Means you can free legal aid provide कर सकते हैं by having the legal aid programs, by establishing legal aid programs. वुमेन्स को आप ट्रेंड कर सकते हैं, सोशल वर्क के लिए वर्क कर सकते हैं, चाइल्ड राइट्स के बारे में बता सकते हैं, एनवायरमेंटल लॉ के बारे में बता सकते हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट्स लॉ. मतलब यू कैन डील विद दिस टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक्स. इन द NGOs ऑल्सो सोशल जस्टिस के लिए भी आप वर्क कर सकते हैं आफ्टर डूइंग द ग्रेजुएशन इन लॉ. Next, government institution like government departments, statutory authorities, public sector undertaking, regulatory bodies also providing interesting opportunities to the lawyers. Means these bodies also, government departments bodies also offering the law graduate an opportunity to do job there. Like ह्यूमन राइट कमीशंस में आप लॉ ग्रेजुएट ही होने के बाद अपॉइंटेड होते हैं एज ए मेंबर. नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन फॉर वुमेन्स, ST है ना, वी हैव रीड इट इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स दैट you can appoint it for like in that also as a member. Further studies, after graduation you can do the LLM and then the PhD भी कर सकते हो उसमें. So law is the interdisciplinary subject. Graduate may opt for the further studies also like business, economics, anthropology, sociology. Traditionally law graduate faces master in law, MPhil, PhD. They can do the further study also. Judicial service, this is the most important degree which after the law you can want to do, you have to do. That is civil judge post or ADPO जो post will be there, like first class magistrate या second class magistrate भी आप बन सकते हैं by passing out the government examination. The court system provides several avenues to the law graduate. The higher judiciary, that is judge of the High Court and the Supreme Court, have law clerk come research assistants who assist a judge in researching for cases, maintaining paperwork, etc. Judicial clerks often sit in the court hearing with the judges. Graduates may write the All India Judicial Examination में भी जा सकते हैं. All India Judicial Examination held होता है, उसके थ्रू आप पोस्ट को फाइल कर सकते हैं और उस कोर्स को क्लियर कर सकते हैं. 3 स्टेज में ये एग्जामिनेशन होता है, प्री, मेंस एंड इंटरव्यू. ओके, so the qualifying candidate starts in subordinate court and progress to the hold and appointment as in the High Court and even in the Supreme Court. Means so firstly your appointment is done in the subordinate court, then you will be promoted to the High Court, then above to the Supreme Court. Not directly to the Supreme Court you are appointed. Okay, so firstly you have to work in the subordinate court. Last, other avenues, other opportunities also there for the law. After the law graduate may opt for the different career also, like journalism you can go, legal publication, fellowship, civil services, bar, legal India as well as media houses में जा सकते हैं. Means you can having a various type of opportunities after doing law. आपको क्यों, why you have opt for the legal studies? Now you have clear in my mind that why you have taken, क्यों लिया है आपने legal study. You have a various type of opportunity after doing the law.